Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about public-private partnerships, PPFs. So as you know, Jamaica is expanding. Jamaica is progressing. A lot of progress happening in Jamaica. The government is doing a lot of major projects around Jamaica. Now, to fund these projects, the government is not able to basically pay for all of these projects. So they have to do public-private partnerships to get the funds, to get the financing for these projects. And it works well because Jamaica benefits with the infrastructure and other entities finance a project and they get paid back. So this road we're driving on is Highway 2000. Magnificent road. This was a public-private partnership. Works well. Both toll roads, the one that goes from Kingston to Mandeville now was a PPF, and the one that goes to the North Coast was a private-public partnership. They're fixing up the Sangse International Airport, and the Norman Manley International Airport was a public-private partnership. The Kingston Container Terminal was a public-private partnership. So the government is now putting together a fund to basically find more projects for this kind of partnership. So you have to put together the proposals, the feasibility. A lot of studies have to be done. A lot of preparation work has to be done. So you can then identify the project, do the research, put the project proposal together, and then you go and find people to finance it. The same thing was done with this highway. The IDB did the project, and everything was done, and then proposals were sent out and people that were interested bid. So the government is putting together, along with the IDB, is putting together a $1.2 million fund, basically to go and put together more private-public partnerships. So a US $1.2 million technical cooperation agreement signed between the government of Jamaica and the Inter-American Development Bank, that's IDB, to strengthen the country's public-private partnership program. So they're basically going to find more projects that can be done. Minister of Finance and Public Service, Dr. the Honorable Nigel Clark, and IDB General Manager, Country Department Caribbean Group and Country Representative Jamaica, Anton Edmonds, signed the agreement in relation to the non-reimbursable technical cooperation and preparation of public-private partnerships projects for the development of efficient and sustainable infrastructure in Jamaica through public project preparation facility. Addressing the ceremony, Dr. Clark welcomed the technical agreements establishment, noting that public and private financing is critical in building out Jamaica's infrastructure needs. The infrastructure needs of Jamaica far outstrip the financial and fiscal capability of the government. In order to address the infrastructure needs, we will have to use other modalities other than government financing, and one of the primary modalities will be through public-private partnerships and in areas where commercial activities are being undertaken by government and transferring those to private sector by privatization, he said. Dr. Clark advised that the total figure the IDB is providing $750,000 US, with the remainder coming from the government. The significance to it is that it provides us with a pool of funds to develop projects that we can bring to the market and attract private investment for our infrastructure needs. This just represents the beginning. We hope to build on it and to be able to attract others to contribute to this project preparation facility so that Jamaica can advance our development by pursuing innovative transactions as we seek to build out our infrastructure, he said. Then he says the public-private partnership will accomplish two objectives. It will select projects that will have a positive impact on society and are feasible from commercial, environmental, and technical perspectives, and it will deliver the best internationally available expertise to structure these contracts that have been prioritized so they can deliver value for money for the government, service users, and the people of Jamaica. Alright, so this is an excellent project because we can't stop the progress in Jamaica. Now, let's just look at the cycle. Hotels are being built in Jamaica. A lot of hotels on the North Coast. But you need infrastructure. The government has to put in infrastructure, roads, etc. You need the airport to bring in the people. That's the Sangster International Airport to bring in the people who are then going to use the roads to get to these hotels. So when you have the airport expanded, the roads being built, people will be interested in investing and building hotels, and people will be interested in visiting Jamaica and using those hotels. Now, the Jamaican government will get money when people come through the airport, tax, travel tax. They'll get money when people stay at the hotel, room tax. They will get money when, people you have to pay taxes when you hire staff. So it's a cycle. So you go and you IDB puts together the project to say build or expand Sangster International Airport. Some foreign company comes in, invests or finances a project, the airport is built. The road, the IDB puts together the proposal, it's sent out, somebody bids, they win the contract, they finance it, the road is built. And because the infrastructure is there, people invest in the hotels and guests come and stay. So it's working, and we'll keep you, this project formula is working. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. And of course, we'll keep you guys updated on all the progress. All right, guys, have a good day and leave your comments in the section below.